What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have an unboxing for you from Arendal Sound. These are the 1961 towers, and I really want to hear these speakers. A few months ago, I had an opportunity to review the 1723 S-Line, and I enjoyed them. They are legit home theater speakers. I mean, they sound fantastic. They're dynamic, very low distortion. I mean, it's just a great experience with those 1723Ss, and I want to see if they have that same sort of vibe coming out of the 1961s, if I could just sit back and enjoy them in my home theater. Now, the 1961 is a little bit different than the 1723 or the 1723 S-Line in that it's a more modern design and it's actually a little bit smaller. So if you have, some space constraints, definitely look at the 1961 line. And they're also less expensive than the 1723 or the 1723 S line. So that's a good thing. I mean, it's easy. It's better in these times, definitely, to save a little bit of money when you can. But as you can see, they come packaged in this black bags. They've got kind of caps to protect them. So I'm assuming that they have very well protected in this box. And they weigh about 50 pounds. So I was able to bring them up the stairs myself. But if you need help carrying that kind of weight, definitely make sure you get help. But these are them. These are the towers. So let's go ahead. Let's break these boxes open and see how they look. Yeah, it smells like fresh speaker in here. So I got them out of the box, and as you can see, they are well protected, just like the 1723 S-Line, including bags, which I like a lot. Now, these speakers are in the bags upside down. So this is the top of the bag, but this is the bottom of the speaker, which allows you to go ahead and put the spikes from the spike kit on the speaker. So I'm going to do that now. Then I'm going to flip it over and then pull the rest of the bag off. So you can see the other part of the speaker here, and I'll do the same for this other speaker over here. And this is just a little Phillips screw head, so I'm gonna go get a Phillips screw head driver. Actually, one thing I just noticed, these have a little rubber padding on them right here, so it protects the surface finish of the speaker even once you're putting these on, and it also provides probably a little bit of damping so the speaker vibrations don't go through the floor or anything like that. So I like this because it's just a nice attention to detail. These actually come with these little washers, and I realized I forgot to put these on before I put the screws on, so I'm going to take the screws off and put these little washers on. So don't forget the little washers to put on in between the screw and this base, because that's probably kind of important. All right, so as you can see, I've got the floor spikes on the speaker, and they also come with these little discs that you can put on the end of the spikes just to kind of protect, from getting really big, spike holes in your carpet, I guess. So you can put those on to protect the carpet, but they also come with these wooden floor pads that you can screw in. Now, obviously in this room, I'm not on wood floors, so I'm not gonna worry about this, but it's just a little rubber pad with the Arendal logo on it, which is really cool. And you can just screw it in as well. So they have plenty of floor protection for these speakers, but now I wanna flip it over and pull this bag off so we can see more of the drivers.
The 1961 Tower is a 2.5-way speaker. It has a 28mm soft dome waveguide tweeter and 4 5.5-inch mid-bass drivers. It has a sensitivity of 87 dB and a nominal impedance of 4 ohms. In vented mode, it has a frequency response from 39 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It weighs 39.5 pounds, and the pair costs $1,699 at the time of this recording.
So there it is, the 1961 series from Arendal Sound. It comes in matte white or matte black, as you can see here, and I like it because it's got this nice angular design, so the speakers are raked just a little bit back and point just a little bit forward into the room because they're on this side of the cabinet, but it's a nice solid cabinet. It's got the binding post down here on the bottom, and remember, red with red and black with black. You can do bare speaker wire, banana plug, spade connections, whatever you want, and there's also a little bit of foam in this port down here. You can pull that out and give you more bass extension. Now, one of the things that surprised me a little bit was the fact that these grills are actually 2 pieces. You've got a top piece that's magnetically attached. You can just pull it off just like that, and a bottom piece that's also magnetically attached, and you can just pull it off and you can see those beautiful drivers. But you know, this is the bottom because it's got the Arendal logo down there at the bottom, but I think it looks really good. I like having all of these drivers on the front of the speaker. The spikes work out well, but if you just want to put those little pads on it with the Arendal logo, you can, and it makes it easy to slide around on the carpet, or it protects your wood floors. I think they've kind of thought of everything in a nice, just overall nice design. So Arendal does recommend 50 hours of break-in for these speakers, so I'm gonna go do that now. Then I'm gonna begin listening and begin my review process. That review should be up in, I don't know, a week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that. So don't miss that review. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted for it when I publish it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time.